Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see the iPhone could not be updated and unknown error occurred, number of errors 3000. So how you can fix it? So now for fixing it, first thing you need to check is to check your Wi-Fi connection. So just tap on Wi-Fi here and just check if you're successfully connected to your Wi-Fi. Also, you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router. Sometimes it also helps. So just tap here, turn off and turn on again your Wi-Fi. And if it doesn't help you, also you can try to tap on Apple logo. Just choose your restore and just submit restarting your computer. So if it doesn't help you too, also you can try to remove your iTunes from your computer and just download and install it again. And if you still have this error, so you just need to try to check your iTunes for updates and just check your iPhone for updates. Maybe you have available updates for your iPhone, so just download and install them. And the latest thing you can try, just use another cable to connect your iPhone to your laptop. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.